Hello all. In this video, we will be learning about the classification of power semiconductor devices from Unit 1, Power Semiconductor Devices of the subject Industrial Electronics. So, power semiconductor devices are usually used to control the flow of voltage as well as current. There are several types of power semiconductor devices, especially the silicon controlled rectifier. So, that is one example. Triag Triag is one example. Bipolar junction transistor is another example. MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. This is another example. And IGBT is nothing but insulated gate based transistor, bipolar transistor, insulated gate bipolar transistor. These are the several examples of power semiconductor devices. So these types of devices are mainly used as electronic switches to turn on off the or to handle the high voltage of power supply or to handle the high current. Yeah, these are the main purpose. So these acts as a triggering circuits specifically. So we classify the semiconductor devices into three types. One is the uncontrolled semiconductor device. Uh, Semi-controlled devices, fully controlled devices. From the name itself, we could easily understand that the object or the device is fully controlled, partially controlled, or not at all controlled. So from the name itself, we could understand these things. So these types of devices are mainly used using a material called silicon or silicon carbide. So these types of devices are used to convert the AC supply to DC supply while charging a mobile phone, while charging a laptop, while charging the EV vehicle. Sometimes we need alternating current to be changed to DC current. So it could act as an adapter. Inside the adapter, we will be having these types of devices, semiconductor devices. So whenever there is a necessity for us to convert the DC to AC, DC to DC, DC to DC in the sense low voltage to high voltage or high voltage to low voltage, we will be going with these types of semiconductor devices. So if I want to slightly modify the speed of the object, speed of the device. If I want to cut off or totally turn off the current supply, totally turn on the power supply, or if I want to adjust the power supply, then I would go easily with these types of semiconductor devices. So here, uh, yeah, so as I mentioned already, these devices are used in electric vehicles, solar inverters, wind energy systems, and also in UPS applications. So this is a circuit diagram and the circuit diagram of the power semiconductor device. We have a diode. This is a circuit symbol of a diode. Anode is a positive terminal, cathode is a negative terminal. So here we have one diode, which is called as a which is mainly used for rectification. So if we go with this symbol, then it means that it is a fast recovery diode. So the third symbol is Scotty diode, which will be providing the voltage in the forward bias condition. So this type of capacitor looking diode is called as a pin diode, and it is used for high voltage, high frequency applications. So this avalanche diode is used for over voltage protection. When the supply is having over voltage in it, then in order to protect the entire circuit board, we could use with this type of diode. So here we are mentioned, here they have mentioned BJT as one example, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor as one example. IGBT is one example. So these are some of the examples of power semiconductor devices. Likewise, we have SCR. The symbol for all the power semiconductor devices has been mentioned here. And a thyristor also comes under the example of power semiconductor device. So ICs in laptop, in mobile phone chargers, laptop chargers, we will be using these types of semiconductor devices. So uh, this could also be used in motor drivers to provide the power supply from 5 voltage to 12 voltage power supply. So here we have an MCQ question. I hope you found the video to be useful. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Radhika. So here we have an MCQ question. I hope you found the video to be